good. Keep the wheels turning and the chicken lights burning. Come on. Oh, and don't forget your high-speed chicken feed there, Roger.
You guys see anything? We're gonna go get us one or at least one or two extra lines made up, and we are going to get this red line. We have this red curly Q line right here, brand new one. We're going to have it fitted for a quick connect and a glide hand. So what we can do is put it on the catwalk. Check out that beautiful rig sitting there in the yard. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. Come on. Okay, we're at Global Parts here in Ringo, Georgia. Very impressed with this store. Got about whatever you want for. Look, there's a Joe box, a job box, I guess. Toolbox there, and a nice stainless blanket box there. And back here, it looks like they even sell the flooring, trailer flooring, load bars. Looks like a bogey. Go under your trailer there. Just really impressed with the selections of stuff they have. Here's all your straps. E-track, load bars, load locks, any kind of fasteners, toe pins. I mean, just chain things. Toolboxes for your frame rails, seats, headlights, Volvo headlights, Freightliner headlights, quarter fenders, air compressors, all kinds of lights and accessories, engine overhaul kits, a little big selection of lights, LED light bars, wheels, rotors, pitman arms, train horns, hubcaps, I mean, mud flap stuff,
So you need to go from 7 flat
steering wheels,
to 7 round.
hi-hats. I'm going to ask him about my hi-hats while I'm here. I use that to polish my wheels with, mother's ball, buffing wheels, catwalk, lug nut selections. I mean, just the amount of stuff they have is just, I had no idea this place was here, you know. Electrical connections for the front of your trailer, mirrors. I mean, anything you need for a truck or a trailer. Look at here. I think that thing right there for Volvo is pretty pricey. But, I mean, they got whatever you need, you know. It's just crazy. Air dryer, filters. I mean, look at the light selection. They even have roof lights, you know. Peterbilt torpedo type lights. I mean, they just got quarter fenders, new grills, visors, exhaust pipes, Y pipes. I mean, the selections is just crazy. I feel like I found a gem in a gold mine, you know. All your connections and safety gear. But even they even have the P3 style light there, you know. They got just a really an overall nice selection. Battery cable's already made up. Pallet jacks, jack stands to keep your trailer up. Mufflers. Yeah, check out these light bars, you know. So, vents, trailer vents, new bumper guides, which I need some of those for mine. I never know which ones I need though. That looks like those. Yeah. There's me a lid right there. I'll buy me a new lid while I'm here. Look at that. Put me a lid on. Okay. Placard holders, triangles, filters, caulking, cleaning brushes. Anyway, cool shop, man. Really cool shop. Fuel additives. Lucas. All right, that was Global Parts in Ringo, Georgia. 706-937. That went by too fast. 2787. And awesome place, man. Loved it. I got my Peterbilt shocks, and if I had my air dryer number filter, I'd get the filter while I was here. Did not get the hairline because I need the other end. I only brought a spare hose. I was going to cut it and make a backup hose out of it, but I need the other end. I didn't bring it. So I gotta go home and unhook the lines from the trailer and bring it. So anyway, we failed with that one. So we're gonna go back home. May try Fastenal. This was only about a 30-mile drive, but I'm not going. It's 9:30 a.m. Saturday morning. They close at noon. I could run home and get the airlines come back, but he had his pickings of fittings was slim, so I'm gonna try Ace Hardware or a Fastenal or something like that. So this place is under construction. So anyway, let's go back to the house and regroup. So we'll see y'all after lunch.
When I'm not bike riding, I'm watching Life is Good.